Hello, my name is Novars Novarzlu. I'm 21 years old. I'm studying business administration at Ankara University. I'm super excited about the work and travel program. It's a great chance to work, meet new people, and explore the USA. I love learning how to business work, and now I can see it in a real life. I'm a hardworking and friendly person. I love working with people, and I always bring a positive attitude. In my free time, I enjoy playing table tennis, football, and pool. These games teach me teamwork, which is really important in any job. My native language is Azerbaijani. I also speak Turkish fluently and a little bit of Russian. I also improving my English in every day. I can adapt quickly and do my best in any job. I want to learn more about hospitality, restaurant, and service. My dream is to have my own restaurant and hotel in my country. This program will help me. I'm motivated to give my best and make every experience great for customers and my team. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.